Hello mga ka-Chupus, at nandito tayo sa Nissan Alabang branch. At syempre, bago nyo simulan itong video na to, please watch nyo muna ang vlog natin kay Miss Catriona Gray kung hindi nyo pa napapanood. At kung meron kayong personal question about sa Team Payaman or kay Kong TV, comment or PM nyo kami at itatanong natin yan sa second vlog. At wait nyo muna ang ating vlog sa ating University of the East Manila branch at Caloocan branch. At syempre kay Sir Albert Martinez. At kasama po pala natin si Ma'am Adele.
Great Nissan Day! Ako po si Adele, isa sa Group Retail Manager dito sa Nissan Alabang.
And Ma'am Adele, regarding po pala sa ating unit, Ma'am, ano pala yung nasa harap po natin?
Ito yung pinakabagong Nissan Terra 4x2 Sports. Ito yung latest siya na pinaka-top of the line for our 4x2 variant.
Nice. Ma'am, regarding po pala dito, Ma'am, is magkano po pala siya? Yung
Okay.
SRP po.
For Nissan Terra 4x2 Sport, we have color black and red, and the SRP is 2,179,000. And for this one is premium color. This is the pearl gray, and we have also pearl white. Additional 20,000 for the price na nabanggit ko.
And Ma'am, lahat po sila is available on site, Ma'am.
Yeah, it's available now, yung color pearl gray, white, and red and black. And Nissan Terra is a 2.5 liter diesel with turbo charger. And then with 78 fuel tank capacity, na you can travel up to 975 kilometers with estimated fuel consumption of 12.5 liters.
Nice, napakasulit talaga.
Yes, tipid po siya.
And Ma'am, ilan po pala yung capacity po ng isang Terra Sport po?
We have 7 to 8 seating capacity.
And Ma'am, regarding po pala sa best feature po ng isang Terra Sport, ano pala yung mga, ano niya, Ma'am?
Ang favorite features ko for Nissan Terra, for the exterior feature niya is the headlamp, because it has a quad LED projector with auto leveling and auto on and off, and with follow me home. And another features na gusto ko, color black power retract side mirror with blind spot warning. And of course, yung kaya naging sporty look siya because of the black mags.
Nice. And Ma'am, regarding naman po sa loob, Ma'am, ano pala yung feature niya po?
For the interior feature naman, ang favorite ko dyan is yung kanyang 10-way power seat and zero gravity seat for driver. Ang kagandahan nun, hindi ka ganong mapapagod as a driver for long drive, and less vibration din siya. And of course, the mounted monitor, which is you will just connect sa HDMI, and then you can watch through your phone kung ano yung mga apps na nasa phone mo, like the YouTube, like that. So, tsaka yung kanyang wireless charger. So, yun yung mga favorite feature ko for the interior.
And Ma'am, pag bumili po si client or si customer ng isang Terra Sport, Ma'am, is ano pala yung warranty or mga kasamang package niya po, Ma'am?
Okay, it's a 5-year warranty or 150 kilometer, whichever comes first. So pag bumili ka dito sa Nissan Alabang ng Nissan Terra or any unit, you can have your after sales service at any dealer. So convenient pa rin po sa inyo. But we have our best service and offer here at Nissan Alabang, because if you purchase, you have already a free 3 years LTO registration with TPL, and if-free na rin natin yung tint, yung front and all sides of the tint. So, yun yung package niya.
And Ma'am, pag may other concern or inquiries po sila, paano nila kayo makakontakt, Ma'am?
You can just contact me through dun sa number na naka-flash dyan sa screen and description.
Hello mga ka-Chupos! Hello mga ka-Chupos! Hi mga ka-Chupos!
Hello mga ka-Chupus, at nandito tayo, kasama natin si Coach Chris.